If you run out of bread or looking for what to use for breakfast, make this moist banana bread recipe that will not only keep you wild but get you addicted. It's not only delicious but very nutritious. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. Our major ingredients for this recipe is bananas, of course. So we need a ripe banana and we just need 3 large bananas or 4 medium bananas for our recipe. It's a very simple recipe, so what we're going to do is just to mash up our bananas, not too smooth anyways. You can mash it with your fork or your whisk. Then we put in 2 large eggs, still slightly beat them, not something serious. You're having fun baking this recipe. Then we're going to be adding melted butter and sugars, vanilla to our mixture, and we're going to also mix slightly. Okay, not something serious. We're just going to mix in everything together and make sure everything is mixed before adding our dried ingredients. Then we add in our all-purpose flour into our mixture, and we also add in our cinnamon, our baking powder, baking soda, and salt. If you were not using salted butter, then you mix gently. This time we're going to be mixing, and when we're done with mixing, I used cashew nuts and ground nuts for my nuts. You could add almonds or any other nuts you're used to, or you could see, but I love that these 2 I used. Then we're also going to slightly mix in into our batter and then put in the pan and get ready to bake our bread. I used the foil pan. I didn't need to grease this, but if you're going to use the other pan, you could grease with oil so that your baking stuff will come out when you're through with baking. So I lined up and designed my banana bread with my remaining nuts, the ground nuts and cashew nuts, and also sliced bananas. I had to place it. I wanted it to be more banana, so I wanted to hear that flavor of banana so much when I was done with baking. So I also had to line it up for extra flavors and also design. When I was done with this, I had to bake at 350 Fahrenheit in a preheated oven for about 15 minutes to 1 hour, or till your banana bread is well cooked and your banana bread is so ready to be enjoyed. This is all about making a banana bread. Thank you so much for loving our recipes. We really appreciate that. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.